Phil Heifetz. I'm the Chief Business Officer, Innovative Supply Solutions, our ISS. Joining me today, actually in the room, is Adam Warren, our founder and CEO. Adam has a great background, over 25 years of experience with some of the biggest pharmaceutical companies in the world, including Johnson & Johnson, AstraZeneca. He's considered a subject expert in clinical supplies, and Adam and his teams have run over 1,000 clinical trials. So we know our customers, we know their needs, we know their pain. From my perspective, I've been in a bunch of different startups across life sciences, and I've been really leading finance and business development, a number of those, and have done deals that have accumulated over $75 million over my career. Two things probably all of us have heard about: clinical trials, supply chains. If you remember one thing, we do both of those. So ISS, we are a SaaS, that's software as a service, web-based technology company. We help pharma address the production and logistics challenges they face in a clinical trial. We're currently at 1.4 million ARR, annual recurring revenue. We're here today to talk to you about our current $1 million raise. This is designed to increase sales and scale the operations of the business. Now, at ISS, we believe that 15 years and over $1 billion is too much time and too much money to bring a new drug to market. We all heard about clinical trials. That's a big part of it. What we may not all appreciate, though, and you don't have to be an expert to know this, is that clinical supplies is a big piece of that. And by clinical supplies, we're talking about all of the drug and the materials, all the stuff that goes into a clinical trial. And today, the Excel spreadsheets and the legacy systems that pharma is relying on to do this isn't really working. And that prevents them from getting the right drug to the right patient the right time every time. And getting it wrong can be catastrophic. You can have patients who are harmed, we have errors, we have waste, we have situation where an entire trial or even a program that can cost $100 million or more ends up a total failure because of this. So we have the solution, ISS Nexus. This is the central hub for clinical supplies. There's 3 components that are put together, cloud-based system. The forward forecasting part creates a forward-looking model, essentially full simulation, runs the trial before it happens. We have another system called IRT. You don't have to know what that means, but that's the part that keeps track of what patient got what drug at the clinical trial sites. And then finally, inventory management puts that all together and provides a high-level view to enable production planning. We know this works. We have a case study. We saved one company, and this was in 1-hour meeting. We saved a company over $400,000 of avoided cost in a manufacturing run they didn't need, and 3 months' time off their development timeline, which again is huge. So to shift gears a little bit, talked about how we make money. We're in over $1 billion addressable market. We have a land and expand SaaS model. We think it's very feasible for us to make significant penetration into that market. So I mentioned we're here today. We're talking about our $1 million raise. It's half subscribed currently. Ben Franklin Technology Partners of our friends in Pennsylvania are currently the lead on that. We'd love to talk to anybody who's interested participating. We have high growth potential. We see exit opportunities within 2 to 3 years. And we know there are a lot of companies out there that are going to want to buy us if we can achieve that kind of growth. So again, thank you very much.